Hi, it's Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. So today I'm working on the March video for the Art and Soul Studio Facebook group. That's a group that I co-host with my friend Diana from the YouTube channel Artfully Yours with Diana. Now, if you're not a member of our Facebook group even, and you'd like to be, then I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you don't want to become a member, that's absolutely fine. I hope you'll still find enjoyment in watching this video. So, what's the challenge / prompt for March? Well, I had a great idea the other night, at least I think it was a great idea, but it was in the middle of the night, and I've since forgot it. And I can't for the life of me remember. I always have some reserves, but today, to be honest, there was nothing that was kind of catching my attention, so nothing that I felt kind of called to. So I've decided that I'm just going to go into one of my journals and I'm just going to create. I'm just going to do a page. No particular theme, nothing at all, and I guess that's what I'm setting to you as your challenge or prompt for this month. Just create something for the sake of creating something. Don't overthink it, just sit down and do it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get started. Depending on how long this takes, I might put the rest of the video on double speed. We'll just see how it goes, and I'll probably not do a voiceover today. I just want to kind of get into this and see where it takes me. So yeah, see you on the other side. So that's my page done. And all I've said is, don't overthink it. So I just had a play today, didn't know where I was going, just pulled some colours, stuck down some collage, added a bit more paint, did some little bits of marks here and there. So yeah, it is what it is. I've enjoyed doing it. I don't think it's taken me terribly long, although I didn't look at the time. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're in the Art and Soul Studio Facebook group, I hope you will sit down and do a page and don't overthink it. And if you're sharing it in the group with us, then just label it as my March challenge, the Don't Overthink It page. Once everyone has uploaded, at the end of March, before I do my next video, I will be putting all the names into a hat and drawing out a winner for a small giveaway. So anybody that has shared images from either my January, February or now my March prompt will be entered into that, and if you've done one for each month you'll be entered into it 3 times, and I will do a small giveaway. So hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. There goes the phone. Bye for now.